Hey guys, welcome to the Me Watchful Living fitness series powered by Cult. In this series, we are bringing fun and easy workout routines for you to stay watchful about your health. My name is Naveen and I have a perfect yoga routine for you today. With this routine, you can de-stress yourself within just minutes. Now, you can do this at any time of the day. I personally like to do it just before the sleep because it helps me to sleep better. I also like to keep a track of my sleep and stress levels using the LifeQ health algorithm in my Me Watch Revolve Active. It's very important for us to be aware of the kind of stress we go through so that we can manage it in a better way. Now, before we get started with the routine, let me quickly set my watch to the yoga mode. You can also do the same and just make sure that DND is on so that you and I are uninterrupted while practicing. And so go, let's get started. So let us sit in a cross-legged position and let me quickly switch on my calm music using the Me Watch. And it's on. Let's get started. We will take the chin up high. Inhale, exhale. Look forward, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Come to the center. Now from there, exhale, inhale, and relax. Interlock your palms. Inhale, exhale. Let the right palm be here only. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, slowly moving forward. Inhale, taking your hands back, and exhale. Stretch your legs forward. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And then slowly keep your back straightened. Gently come back and relax. So this was our quick yoga routine to de-stress and loosen up the muscles to make you feel relaxed and calm. I'm feeling super relaxed right now and I'm hoping the same for you. Let me see how did we do. My Me Watch really helps me understand my workout in a better way and that helps me improvise on my workout. That's great, it looks great. Awesome. So now you know that whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, this is the go-to video for you so that you can get calm and relaxed in just a minute. Stay tuned for these videos with our Me Watchful Living fitness series powered by Cult.